Good morning. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for Monday, the 18th of December, 2023, just after 8:20 a.m. Central Day. It's a day very light on economic data. Give you an idea here, you're going to get the National Association of Home Builders at 9. I think the last reading was 34. They're looking for a 36, if I'm correct on that number. After that, now, where we're at, if you're watching national TV, you're seeing all the airlines, the traffic, the delays that are going on through the whole East Coast, and they're talking about how many flyers are going to hit. Now, on the 23rd, everybody hits the road to the 1st, and they'll be doing millions upon millions of people going left and right, but that takes away from the market. So this is the time frame where people are coming in, they're adjusting portfolios, trying to figure out what do they do one way or the other. They're trying to make hay, and there's no hay. You either have done it this year or you haven't. I mean, when you really take a look at it in the stock market, 7 stocks carried these markets, and they went up dramatically. When you take a look at the NASDAQ, especially in the tech stocks, those 7 stocks just carried the day, and everything else is a distant, and I have to use that word, a distant second if they're there at all. So what you're getting is some profit taking. Money managers make their money right now. They lock up their year, they rotate, they window dress, be ready for all that. I've been around this. Nothing changes every year. This happens always the same. This is the longest rally in stock indices since November of 2017, specifically in the S&P. You're up $2 in the energy, not because demand has improved, but in the Red Sea, British Petroleum has ordered its oil tankers to no longer take that route. Cargo containers, one company after the other saying you cannot go that route. The Houthis have basically shut that route down. It'll cost more money. They're disrupting things. They're getting press. This is what they want. They want the sentiment. So they're winning that battle because just how long can you have U.S. ships everywhere? You can't. And we had the British with us over the weekend. They shot down, I think, 15 drones over the weekend, and I understand there were more attacks this morning. That'll do it. Insurance companies will balk. The companies that are shipping, they'll say the cost is too great now, and that's going to change it. We also have our Secretary of Defense in Israel, and there's pressure on Israel from every front. Once they killed 3 of their own hostages, SOSs, white, carrying white flags, no shirts on, speaking in Hebrew, and the forces killed them anyways, and I've heard, well, they thought they were tricksters, blah, blah, nonsense. Something is wrong here, and what it is it's just out-and-out killing that you got to be careful of. And I think that got world outrage, maybe outrage in Israel too, and that's the good thing. And the people I saw the demonstrations, monstrous. So the war is about to take a different change. I don't know what that change is. I'm not a tactician, but it's going to take a change because of public opinion. The Israelis know that, and they'll deal with it whatever way they can. But as the world mounts against them, pressure does come to bear, so be ready for that. I want to remind you that I did a special report for everybody on seasonal charts, the dollar index, the impact of the world events. We cover in this report for you price counts. We do the monthly charts, the daily charts. The report's only good for 3 business days. So today, it starts coming to an end. It goes off the board, our website, tomorrow. So for you to take advantage of it, and I don't know the time tomorrow, but I know it is tomorrow. And I put it out so that it would go through the weekend. Many of you have seen it. Just go to our website at iraepstein.com. Under the word research, give it a click. You'll see it right there. You can move your cursor up here. If you have questions, you can call my staff. I think you'll find it to be a pretty interesting report, and I think you'll see some of the conclusions are very, very interesting in it. In the meantime, I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great trading day, and I'll catch up with you at the end of the day in our market wrap-ups. Trade well.